Imagine being stuck deep in the wilderness after a brutal storm. Your firewood is soaked, temperatures are dropping fast, and your survival now depends on one thing strapped to your belt: your bushcraft knife. Not a cheap folding knife, not a flashy tactical blade built for social media photos. A real full-tang bushcraft knife designed to survive punishment when everything around you starts falling apart. In 2026, bushcraft knives have become tougher, sharper, and more advanced than ever before. Survivalists, hunters, campers, off-grid adventurers, and wilderness experts are constantly searching for blades capable of battening thick wood, carving traps, preparing food, building shelters, striking ferro rods, and handling brutal outdoor abuse without snapping under pressure. But here's the problem. Most so-called survival knives online are complete disappointments. Some lose their edge after one camping trip. Others feel uncomfortable after 20 minutes of use. And a few knives on today's list are so insanely durable that outdoor communities genuinely consider them lifetime survival tools. So after researching survival forums, bushcraft communities, Amazon reviews, outdoors with insane toughness in 2026, starting from number 10 all the way to the ultimate survival beast sitting at number 1. Now let's dive in. Number 10, Morakniv Garberg Carbon Steel. Starting our list at number 10 is the Morakniv Garberg Carbon Steel, and this knife completely changed how people viewed Scandinavian bushcraft blades when it first exploded in popularity. Morakniv already had a legendary reputation for making razor-sharp outdoor knives, but the Garberg became special because it was their first true full-tang survival knife built specifically for hard-use wilderness environments. The moment you hold it, you immediately notice how balanced and practical the knife feels. Unlike oversized tactical blades designed mostly for intimidation, the Garberg focuses heavily on realistic bushcraft performance. The high-carbon steel blade delivers incredible sharpness and excellent edge retention, making it outstanding for carving wood, feather sticking, food preparation, trap building, and campsite utility work. Bushcraft communities constantly praise Scandinavian grinds because they bite aggressively into wood while remaining extremely controllable during precision tasks, and the Garberg performs beautifully in that area. What really makes the Garberg impressive is durability despite its relatively compact size. Many lightweight bushcraft knives feel fragile during tougher survival tasks, but the full-tang construction here gives the knife outstanding structural strength for battening and heavier outdoor work. Campers and survivalists frequently use this knife to split firewood, process kindling, and handle emergency shelter building without worrying about blade failure. The rubberized handle provides exceptional grip security even during wet or cold conditions, while remaining comfortable enough for extended carving sessions. That ergonomic design matters enormously during bushcraft work because hand fatigue can quickly become frustrating during long wilderness trips. For anyone entering the bushcraft world or building a dependable outdoor survival kit, the Morakniv Garberg remains one of the best knives. Number 9. Condor Bushlore Knife. This blade has quietly become one of the most loved bushcraft knives in the survival community because of its incredible balance between old-school craftsmanship and rugged outdoor functionality. Inspired heavily by traditional wilderness knives, the Bushlore focuses on practical survival performance instead of tactical styling or flashy marketing. The first thing users notice is the beautiful hardwood handle combined with the classic drop-point blade shape that feels immediately natural in hand. But do not let the traditional appearance fool you. This knife is built for serious outdoor abuse. The high-carbon steel blade arrives razor-sharp and performs exceptionally well during carving, slicing, feather sticking, food preparation, and shelter-building tasks. Bushcraft enthusiasts constantly praise the blade geometry because it gives outstanding control during precision work while still maintaining enough strength for heavier survival use. Some tactical knives become exhausting after prolonged carving sessions because of poor ergonomics or overly aggressive handle shapes. But the Bushlore feels smooth, balanced, and natural during hours of use. Another major advantage is versatility. The blade handles everything from campsite cooking to wood processing surprisingly well, making it an excellent all-around survival companion for campers, hikers, and bushcraft enthusiasts. The full-tang construction also adds tremendous confidence during harder tasks like battening small logs and splitting kindling. Many users specifically praise how durable the Bushlore feels despite maintaining a lightweight and manageable profile. The leather sheath also deserves praise because it adds a classic wilderness feel while securely carrying the blade during outdoor adventures. Another underrated benefit is maintainability. Full-tang bushcraft knife capable of handling real outdoor situations without unnecessary complexity. It remains best. Number 8. ESEE 4P Fixed Blade Knife. ESEE built its reputation around creating no-nonsense survival knives capable of surviving brutal wilderness abuse, and the ESEE 4 perfectly represents that philosophy. The first thing users immediately notice is how solid and dependable the knife feels. There is no unnecessary decoration, flashy styling, or gimmicky survival features trying to distract from the real purpose of the blade. Everything about the ESEE 4 focuses on reliability in dangerous outdoor environments. The 1095 high-carbon steel blade delivers excellent toughness and edge retention while remaining easy to sharpen in the field, which becomes incredibly important during long-term survival situations. Bushcraft communities constantly praise 1095 steel because it prioritizes durability and real-world performance over trendy premium marketing hype. Whether carving wood, building traps, preparing firewood, slicing rope, or processing food around camp, the ESEE 4 performs with exceptional consistency. Some survival knives become excessively large and heavy, making them frustrating during extended wilderness trips, while smaller blades sometimes lack enough strength for harder tasks. The ESEE 4 sits almost perfectly between those extremes. It feels compact enough for comfortable belt carry, while still maintaining enough blade thickness and full tang durability to handle battening, shelter building, and heavy campsite work confidently. The micarta handle scales also deserve serious praise because they provide incredible grip security even during rain, sweat, or muddy conditions. That control becomes extremely valuable during precision bushcraft work, where slipping can quickly become dangerous. The company built these knives to be used hard instead of treated like collectibles. That practical ruggedness explains why so many campers, hunters, military personnel, and bushcraft experts continue carrying the ESEE 4 into serious outdoor environments year after year. Number 7. Becker BK2. This knife perfectly blends compact carry with serious bushcraft toughness. Ka-Bar already earned legendary status in the survival world because of their military and outdoor blades. But the Becker series became especially respected among bushcraft enthusiasts because of how incredibly durable and practical these knives feel in real wilderness situations. The BK2 stands out because it delivers heavy-duty survival performance without becoming oversized or exhausting to carry. The moment you hold it, the knife feels balanced, rugged, and purpose-built for outdoor use. The 1095 Crowvan steel blade provides excellent toughness while maintaining strong edge retention and relatively easy sharpening in the field. That steel choice matters enormously for bushcraft users because survival situations often demand blades capable of handling repeated abuse without becoming brittle or difficult to maintain. The drop-point blade shape performs beautifully for wood carving, feather sticking, food preparation, campsite utility work, and general survival use while still maintaining enough strength for harder tasks like splitting kindling and battening smaller logs. Many larger survival knives excel at brute force, but feel awkward during detailed bushcraft work. The BK2 avoids that problem by balancing cutting precision with rugged durability almost perfectly. Another huge advantage is ergonomics. The Grivery handle scales provide excellent grip comfort during prolonged use, while reducing fatigue during carving sessions or repetitive campsite tasks. The BK2 performs exceptionally well across a wide range of bushcraft and wilderness scenarios. Overall, this knife earns its place on the list because it combines realistic carry comfort, dependable toughness, practical cutting performance, and long-term durability into one highly respected survival package trusted by outdoor communities across America. Number 6. Fallkniven F1. Originally developed for Swedish Air Force pilots, the F1 quickly became famous among bushcraft enthusiasts and wilderness experts because of its incredible balance between compact size and serious survival capability. The first thing users notice is build quality. Everything about the knife feels refined, durable, and engineered for reliability under pressure. The laminated VG10 steel blade delivers outstanding edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness, making it highly effective during harsh outdoor use where moisture, cold temperatures, and repeated cutting tasks constantly challenge equipment. Unlike oversized tactical survival knives that prioritize intimidation, the F1 focuses entirely on efficiency and practical performance. One of the strongest features of the Fallkniven F1 is cutting ability. The convex grind slices through wood, rope, food, and outdoor materials with remarkable smoothness while still maintaining enough blade strength for heavier bushcraft tasks like battening and shelter building. Convex grinds provide an excellent combination of slicing efficiency and durability during hard use. Another major advantage is portability. The F1 remains compact enough for comfortable, everyday wilderness carry, while still feeling capable of handling genuine survival situations confidently. That balance explains why so many survival instructors and military personnel continue trusting this knife in 2026. The Thermarin handle also deserves serious praise because it maintains excellent grip security during wet, snowy, or freezing conditions where maintaining control becomes critical. Many survival knives perform well initially, but gradually lose reliability after repeated outdoor abuse. The Fallkniven F1 feels engineered specifically to avoid those weaknesses, for serious outdoor adventurers wanting a premium full-tang bushcraft knife capable of handling nearly anything nature throws at it. It remains the best knife in this list. Number 5. Ontario Knife Company Blackbird SK5. This knife is one of the most underrated bushcraft beasts in the survival world. While many outdoor knives focus heavily on flashy tactical styling, the Blackbird SK5 was designed specifically for practical wilderness survival and long-term bushcraft functionality. The first thing users immediately notice is how comfortable and controllable the knife feels during detailed work. The blade shape combined with the ergonomic micarta handle creates incredible precision during carving, feather sticking, trap building, and campsite preparation tasks. The 154 cm stainless steel blade also deserves enormous praise because it provides excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance while still remaining tough enough for demanding outdoor use. Bushcraft communities often debate carbon steel versus stainless steel survival knives, but the SK5 proves high-quality stainless blades can perform exceptionally well in serious wilderness conditions. Many survivalists specifically praise this knife because it transitions smoothly between delicate carving tasks and harder campsite labor without feeling compromised in either category. Another major strength is comfort during prolonged use. The micarta handle scales remain secure even during wet weather while reducing hand fatigue significantly during extended carving sessions. That ergonomic advantage becomes incredibly valuable during multi-day wilderness trips where repetitive knife work is common. Another reason the SK5 continues gaining respect in 2026 is portability combined with durability. The leather sheath also adds a premium traditional outdoor feel while securely holding the knife during movement through difficult terrain. Another underrated benefit is maintenance. Overall, the Ontario Blackbird SK5 earns its top 5 position because it combines premium materials, practical bushcraft performance, ergonomic comfort, and long-term reliability. Number 4. Tops BOB Fieldcraft knife blades in the entire bushcraft community because it was designed by real wilderness experts for real finest full-tang wilderness knives. Number 3. Benchmade Bushcrafter 162. Benchmade already built a legendary reputation within the knife world for producing high-end blades trusted by military personnel, survivalists, hunters, and outdoor professionals. But the Bushcrafter 162 became something truly special because it focused entirely on wilderness functionality instead of tactical trends. The moment you hold the knife, the quality becomes immediately obvious. Everything from the blade finish to the handle ergonomics feels refined, balanced, and purpose-built for demanding outdoor use. The CPM S30V stainless steel blade delivers incredible edge retention while maintaining excellent corrosion resistance, making it ideal for survival environments involving moisture, snow, rain, or long-term outdoor exposure. Unlike cheaper steels that dull quickly during repeated wood carving and campsite work, the Bushcrafter maintains sharpness impressively well during extended wilderness use. The drop-point blade geometry combined with a razor-sharp edge gives users outstanding control during feather sticking, trap carving, food preparation, shelter building, and fire preparation. Many survivalists specifically praise this knife because it performs detailed carving tasks beautifully while still maintaining enough blade thickness and full-tang durability for battening wood and handling harder outdoor use. Another huge advantage is comfort during prolonged use. The contoured G10 handle scales fit naturally into the hand while providing excellent grip security during wet or cold conditions. That ergonomic refinement dramatically reduces hand fatigue compared to many rougher tactical-style survival knives. Another reason this knife stands out in 2026 is balance between toughness and refinement. Some survival knives feel crude and overly aggressive, while others prioritize elegance over durability. The IT is finest knife ever made because it delivers exceptional cutting performance, comfort, and durability. Number 2. Becker BK2 Campanion. EW Bushcraft knives have earned the legendary reputation of the BK2 because very few blades feel this brutally overbuilt while still remaining practical for survival use. The moment you pick it up, the sheer thickness and weight immediately communicate one thing. This knife was designed to survive punishment that would destroy ordinary outdoor blades. The 1095 Crovan steel blade delivers tremendous toughness and impact resistance, making the BK2 famous for handling extreme battening, chopping, prying, wood splitting, shelter construction, and heavy survival abuse without fear of failure. The BK2 creates the exact opposite reaction. This knife practically encourages abuse because it feels capable of handling almost anything. Another huge advantage is versatility despite the oversized construction. While the knife clearly excels at heavy-duty wilderness tasks, it still performs surprisingly well during carving, slicing, food preparation, and campsite utility work once users become familiar with the blade weight. The Grivery handle scales also provide excellent grip comfort and shock absorption during repeated chopping or battening sessions. Another reason survivalists continue recommending the BK2 in 2026 is reliability over time. The included sheath system also supports multiple carry options for camping, hiking, tactical gear, and emergency preparedness setups. Another underrated strength is customization potential. Many bushcraft enthusiasts modify their BK2 with aftermarket handle scales, ferro rod mounts, upgraded sheaths, and survival accessories, turning the knife into a personalized wilderness tool perfectly suited for long-term outdoor adventures. Overall, the Becker BK2 earns its near-legendary status because it combines insane toughness, survival versatility, dependable steel, and long-term durability into one of the most trusted full-tang bushcraft knives ever created. Number 1. ESEE 6P Fixed Blade Survival Knife. Finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list of the top 10 full-tang bushcraft knives with insane toughness in 2026 is the legendary ESEE 6P Fixed Blade Survival Knife. And honestly, this knife deserves every bit of its reputation. If there is one survival blade trusted by wilderness experts, military personnel, bushcraft instructors, rescue teams, and hardcore outdoor adventurers across America, it is the ESEE 6. This knife represents nearly everything people want in a full-tang survival tool. Incredible toughness, practical size, exceptional reliability, comfortable ergonomics, and realistic wilderness functionality without unnecessary gimmicks. The first thing users immediately notice is balance. Despite being large enough for serious survival tasks, the ESEE 6 still feels controllable and comfortable during detailed bushcraft work. Survivalists constantly praise this blade because it consistently works when conditions become harsh and failure is not acceptable. The micarta handle scales provide phenomenal grip security during rain, sweat, mud, and freezing conditions while remaining comfortable enough for hours of prolonged use outdoors. That ergonomic refinement becomes incredibly important during long wilderness trips involving repetitive carving and campsite tasks. Another huge advantage is versatility. Some survival knives become too specialized for practical all-around use, but the ESEE 6 adapts beautifully across nearly every outdoor environment imaginable. Another reason this knife dominates survival discussions in 2026 is ESEE's legendary lifetime warranty and survival-focused philosophy. And honestly, very few bushcraft knives combine durability, comfort, practicality, portability, and wilderness capability as perfectly as the ESEE 6. That is exactly why this legendary survival blade earns the number 1 crown on our list.